I know when you first saw this diagram, some of you objected, because you know that in order to get an electrical circuit to work, you've got to have a complete circuit. For example, if I want to light this light bulb, I've got to have a connection from the positive terminal of the battery, here, to the light bulb, and then from the light bulb I have to have a wire going back to the battery. And if I don't have both wires, I can't get the light bulb to work. So when you saw this diagram, you naturally would have said, where are all the extra wires? This is called a one-line diagram, and it's a simplification of reality. It allows us to quickly look at these various pieces of electronic equipment and see how they're connected together without getting too bogged down in the fact that some of them have 2 wires and some of them have 3. Let me give you just a quick example using the solar cell. So the solar cell is represented as a picture of a solar cell going to a power converter that converts direct current into alternating current. And then I'm going to add one more thing. There's a transformer which converts 690 volts AC up to 4160 volts for distribution throughout the town. I won't go into all the detail now, but I want to drill down one more layer so that you can see the beauty of the one-line diagram. Now our solar cells are actually a string of panels connected together, each one connected negative to positive, like you would connect batteries in a flashlight. And there's a lot of them. In fact, there's enough solar panels in this series string to produce 1,200 volts DC. This 1,200 volts DC is sent to the power converter, where the direct current is converted into 3-phase alternating current. So now there are 3 outputs of this system here. Those are then connected to a transformer. And I'm going to show the 3 outputs in different colors. We might call this one the A phase, we'll call this the B phase, and we'll call this the C phase. Anyway, I think you get my point. There's a lot of detail that goes into these systems, and it's so much easier just to use this type of representation, where you say the solar panel is connected to a power converter, which is connected to a transformer. And that's what you see up here on the one-line diagrams. Know that that 3-phase system I showed you down below is applicable to everything I'm highlighting right now in red. So every single one of these systems has 3 wires coming off of it. So you can see the one-line diagram is actually a representation of the 3 wires that make up the 3-phase system.